we got covered bridge.
Oh, I better leave it on then.
Yeah, cool. Go,
Timmy!
Oh, see him go down that hole. Hey, we got covered bridge. And
Speed limit.
You mean there was a speed limit there?
For snowmobiles.
Oh. Woo, yeah.
Oh, is this the bridge from the road we went over the last weekend?
Yeah.
We're in Helenville.
The trestle.
In Helenville.
Yeah. Let's see. Glacial
Drumlin State Trail.
State Trail.
That was neat.
Yeah.
Get it, baby. Yeah, baby. Behind, baby.
Yeah, behind us.
Thanks. Sure.
Thank
Hey, baby, I'm stopping.
you. Okay. I'll slow down.
I better take it off just to make sure.
Alright, I'll slow down. Hey, baby. He's looking. See him looking?
Where'd Mama go? There goes the other
There
one.
goes the baby. See the other one on this log here? How can you live in muck like that?
I know, isn't that something?
Oh, look,
Yeah.
he's swimming over there. Look at it, over there.
Where?
It's huge. See the water moving?
Where? Close? Far?
Right out the middle out there. Oh, see, the water's moving.
Boy, I bet you there's a lot of turtles in there.
I like that. Lots of turtles.
Did you have fun seeing the turtle? I got the turtles.
Pretty, aren't they?
Yes, they're pretty.
Little babies.
Well, we got a road to cross here, and there's a trail down there yet, so how far have we gone, baby? Look on the GPS.
8.22 miles.
8.22. We got about 4 miles yet to Jefferson, so.
And we've been going 1 hour, 9 minutes, and 16 seconds.
Well, that's actual riding time.
Oh.
Yeah, there's 2 different times. It'll show up when we stop, when we put it in the computer.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, say see you later.
See you later, alligator.
Well, here we are at Weddow's. I think that's the name of it, a hamburger stand in Jefferson. Went about 15 miles so far. Had a couple of burgers, 2 root beers, and unstuffed. And we got about 15 miles to go on the way back. You get enough to eat, baby?
Too much.
Too much? You full?
Full stuffed.
You ready for the 15 miles back yet?
I'm ready for 15 miles back.
It's about 80-some degrees.
80.
It's 2:15 in the afternoon.
So our bodies ought to be about 110 when we get home.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Well, we just went down 18 to Y to cut over here to the trail, and so far we've got 19.2 miles and probably 11 or 12 to go, and we're whooped. Aren't we whooped, baby?
We are whooped.
Look at that sweat on our face.
There. There's sweat.
There.
Sweat.
I don't know if you can see it. See that sweat? Look at her
Soaked.
hair. Soaked. Well, we stopped here. I felt like my seat was really getting to me. It's hard. My tender ass. So we're having a drink of ice water we got at the restaurant. And I'll put my helmet cam on for a little while again to see, so you can see what this end of the trail's like. See ya.
It'll be slow riding.
There's my bike. We're in the woods. Ready, baby?
Ready, baby.
Let's put the helmets on. Get going.
Let's go. Nice and tight. Come on up. How about when you can't see us till you're right up on it?
Your mirror shines right in my face.
Huh?
Your mirror is shining right in my face.
I know.
When it hits the sun, tilted.
Yours is getting in too. Hi, Tippy.
Yeah, baby, I think I gotta try a wide ass seat like yours, especially for the long rides.
You see, I wouldn't mind my other seat if I had padded bottoms.
Yeah.
See, maybe that's what you need too, baby, for that bike,
Oh, yeah.
for that seat. I like my other seat, the way it rides, but it just hurts my crotch. I gotta have the padded bottom. I feel sick now, see? Things got right.
Careful, baby. You want me to ride ahead or what?
No. I was just looking.
I know that's... Oh, there goes a bunny ahead. Did you see him cross? Yeah.
I thought I saw something in the road. I didn't know what it was.
Coming to a bridge. Okay. Still shooting.
That was a quick span.
What'd you say?
That was a quick span.
Didn't you just pass us?
Oh yeah.
A long way to go back.
20 miles ago.
Oh,
11 miles ago.
20. 20. so you get a picture of this baby. Oh, my ass hurts. My ass is so sore from the seat. Take my helmet off so I can be sure what I'm looking at here. It's a bridge over a little stream or whatever. Go across here to the other side. I don't know, kind of in the wild here. There's a farm over there. I hope it ain't the hillbillies from Wrong Turn. It's kind of neat in here. Okay, back on the bike. There's my honey over there. Pull them out! It's pulling our pants out of the crack of her ass. Okay, Baba. Roll those wheels. Oh, little chippy. Oh, I love these gears for that hill, baby.
Yeah. It was so rough.
You can switch so fast that you don't lose your speed.
Is this the park? Oh no, we gotta leave.
Okay, still shooting.
See Marshall?
Yeah. Nothing coming there, baby.
Not that I can see. No.
Yeah, what the hell is he shooting at?
That shooting range over there?
I don't know.
I hope nothing comes our way. Must be shooting. Doing alright, baby?
Huh?
You doing alright?
Doing fine, baby. You?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Are you fast?
Huh?
You don't feel like you're gonna have
No.
a coronary.
It's a little hard biking after eating all that, you know.
Gotta eat though.
I know.
I ate light.
Oh, God, that's got to be a gopher that does that.
Yeah, Chippy, I saw Chippy going in one like that.
Another hole. Look at that. You didn't see it till you're up on it. Sees more in the middle.
Yeah.